This Coldwell Banker Advantage property video is presented by Georgene Srsen. Turnkey business opportunity located on Main State Highway. Take over this highly profitable and respected boat/RV body repair shop and start making money right away. Current owner will train. No local competitors and very low overhead. A preferred provider for the insurance industry and recommended by over 20 marine and RV dealers. Non-stop referral business. All equipment, tools, signage, and supplies included. The large 2-acre lot offers potential to expand the business or build a residence on the property to work from home. State-of-the-art, 72 feet by 56 feet, insulated, and heated commercial building west/ventilation system, drive-through 12 FT and 14 FT doors, front customer service office, 16x70 storage area, bathroom, and much more.